Hey guys, my name is Rajan and you're watching Mentor. So today I have got the latest flagship of OnePlus, the OnePlus 13. And this is a very beautiful design. I like the black color. And on the other hand, I've got the Vivo X200 Pro. So this is gonna be a very detailed and exclusive comparison. Do subscribe the channel because this is gonna be a really interesting comparison. And I do various interesting comparisons on this channel. So do check out those videos as well. So we're gonna try videos, photos, snapshots, portraits, everything in this video. So it's gonna be a really detailed comparison video. So let's dive into the comparison now.
All right, so let's dive into this one next shot and let's see what's really going on here. This photo is a great way to test how these phones handle color, skin tones, and those sharp little details. With so much happening in the frame, bricks, walls, skin tones, it's like a mini stress test for both of these cameras. Oh, and just so you know, I kept it natural on both. No fancy modes, no filter, just plain and simple. Right off the bat, you can spot a difference in the vibe these phones are going for. The X200 Pro on the left seems to have woken up the muted side of the bed, while the OnePlus 13 is in a much brighter, more colorful mood. And honestly, that extra pop of saturated on the OnePlus 13 is pretty eye-catching. Now let's talk the bricks because who doesn't want their bricks to look good, right? If you look at the bottom of the shot, the X200 Pro throws in a yellowish tint. That's just not true to life, and it's like the bricks had a bad spray tan. On the other hand, the OnePlus 13 keeps things vibrant but still manages to look more authentic. The X200 Pro seems to have applied the same yellowish filter to the whole shot, which isn't doing any favors. Zooming in, we can see that the X200 Pro pulls ahead in face details. You can see sharper texture on the face, but when you step back and look at the overall picture, the level of detail, it's pretty even between the two. Here's thing for me, colors are a big deal, and while the X200 Pro has slightly better face detail, the overall colors on the OnePlus 13 win me over. It's more vibrant, more lifelike, and just more pleasing to the eye. So I'm giving this win to the OnePlus 13. Let's keep going and see what these phones do next. Alright, here we got another next shot, and this time we are diving into the dynamic range and skin tones. Both of these phones are shooting at 23mm. So the X200 Pro boasts a slightly larger sensor and more updated sensor. So let's analyze. First impression, the X200 Pro leans toward more muted and natural skin tones, while the OnePlus 13 is doing what it does best, brightening everything up and adding a splash of vibrancy. It's like the OnePlus decided the scene needed a little extra cheer. Now, if you focus on the bricks in the background, I'll give the credit where it's due. The OnePlus 13 wins here. Those bricks pop. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching, and honestly, I kind of dig it. But let's talk skin tones. The X200 Pro delivers a more authentic and realistic portrayal, while the OnePlus 13 goes heavy on the brightness and smoothness. It's almost like the OnePlus hired a virtual makeup artist who didn't know when to stop. Now zooming in for the detail, this is where the X200 Pro flexes its larger sensor. The details on the face are far superior here. The OnePlus 13 softens everything out and sacrifices detail for its vibrant process look. So while I appreciate the color choices on the OnePlus 13, the X200 Pro wins this round for its natural tones and sharper details. Alright, let's move on to more pictures and see what else these phones can do. Alright, here's another one is shot test, and this one is a personal favorite of mine to see how these flagship phones handles dynamic range. This shot puts both phones to their paces, testing how well they capture the sun, the background, and the overall scene. A real challenge for any smartphone camera. So let's break it down. Right off the bat, the OnePlus 13 takes the lead by focusing on the model. It brightens up the face just enough to make it pop, and I have to say it looks great. Honestly, if we showed this picture to any model or influencer, they'd probably pick the OnePlus 13 because it does a fantastic job of making the subject look flattering and camera ready. On the other hand, the X200 Pro pulls off a win when it comes to the background. The sky looks more balanced, the dynamic range is handled with a little better, and the trees in the background also are highlighted beautifully without losing detail. If you are someone who cares more about the overall scene rather than just the subject, the X200 Pro might feel more authentic. But if we zoom in, both phones deliver impressive detail, but surprisingly the OnePlus 13 edges out in certain areas like the bricks in the background. The X200 Pro, while detailed, smooths things out a bit more, especially on the model's face. While some might take like the softer look, I think it goes a bit too far and loses a touch of realism. So for this specific scenario where my focus was on the model, the OnePlus 13 takes the win. It highlights the subject beautifully and produces a picture that looks stunning straight out of the camera. So alright, let's keep going on and check out more shots. Alright, here's a 2x shot, and right away you can see that the X200 Pro has captured the colors much better. In my opinion, the OnePlus 13 looks more overexposed and overly brightened, which doesn't feel true to life or accurate. The X200 Pro has managed to handle the skin tones and monument colors much better this time. If we zoom in, the clarity and details are sharper on the X200 Pro, especially on the face and hair, while the OnePlus 13 feels slightly softer. So right away, this 2x shot, I'll give this win straight to the X200 Pro for its more accurate color representation, better details, and overall more natural look. Let's take a look at more pictures. Alright, here we have a 10x zoom shot, and right away you can tell there is a clear difference on how both of these phones handle colors. The X200 Pro, as usual, has gone for a more muted color palette, while the OnePlus 13 leans into a more vibrant and saturated look. Now if you look closely, the X200 Pro has added a noticeable yellowish tint across the entire image, which in my opinion doesn't do any favors. On the OnePlus 13, it has a slight reddish tint, but it actually works well here. The colors of the brick and the whites of the monument look much more appealing on the OnePlus 13. When it comes to the details, the X200 Pro has slight edge thanks to its massive 200 megapixel telephoto sensor. It delivers sharper details textures as expected. However, for this specific shot, my focus wasn't just on the details but also on the colors and skin tones. If the model weren't in shot, I might have leaned toward the X200 Pro, as its details are impressive, but with the model included, the yellowish tint from the X200 Pro makes the whole image feel less appealing. The OnePlus 13 with this vibrant and cleaner color lettering does a much better job overall. So for this picture, I'm giving this win to the OnePlus 13. Let's move on and check out more shots. Alright, here's a wide angle shot, and right away you can see that both phones captured a similar focal length. However, keep in mind that the OnePlus 13 is equipped with a JN1 wide angle sensor, which is superior to the X200 Pro's JN5 sensor. Both phones are 50 megapixel. I really like the colors on the OnePlus 13. The colors feel more realistic and true to life. The warmth in the OnePlus 13 makes the picture look more natural, and the monument in the background looking much better in this shot. If you zoom in, the floor details are sharper and more detailed on the OnePlus 13. The textures are clearer. Everything feels more defined. However, the top of the picture of the OnePlus, there is a slight glitch-like artifact in the sky, which gives it a slightly off look. I took multiple shots, and this was the only one with this issue. So it seems specific to this particular shot. So overall, both images look good, but due to that sky glitch, I'll give a slight edge to the OnePlus 13. But the X200 Pro is also looking really good here. So I'll give +1 to both of these phones. So let's check out more shots. Alright, architecture fans, I have got you covered. I snapped this shot just for you. Now this was taken at 85mm on the X200 Pro, while the OnePlus 13 equivalent was 73mm. That's why the framing looks a little different. Blame the lenses, not me. Right off the bat, you can see the OnePlus 13 has gone for its signature bright and saturated look. It's eye-catching, sure, but let's talk about accuracy. The scene wasn't this bright, and the sky, yeah, it wasn't that shade either. The X200 Pro on the other hand nailed it with a more authentic vibe that feels true to life. Now let's zoom in and let's get into the juicy details. Literally, if you check out the bricks, both phones are remarkably closer in detail. There's no surprise given that both rock 50 megapixel sensor. However, the X200 Pro pulls ahead in one sneaky little way. So let's take a look at the top of the frame, especially the pillar. The X200 Pro captures final details here, while the OnePlus 13 softens them out. It's subtle, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. Let me zoom in for you. So you can see the details here much better on the X200 Pro. So while the OnePlus 13 might dazzle with brightness and pop, the X200 Pro wins this round with its sharper details and more realistic portrayal. Onward to the next set of shots now. Alright, here's another 1x portrait shot. Both phones features 50 megapixel sensors, but one is slightly larger. You can clearly see that the OnePlus 13 leans toward a more vibrant and colorful approach, while the X200 Pro keeps things more natural. In my opinion, the X200 Pro provides better contrast for my model, while the OnePlus 13 lacks the same level of contrast. Additionally, when zooming in, the edge detection on the OnePlus 13 isn't as sharp, whereas the X200 Pro handles it much more accurately. The details are also better on the X200 Pro, with finer textures captured on the face. Therefore, I'd say the X200 Pro delivers a superior shot. So I'm giving this win to the X200 Pro because of its much better texture details and better color temperature as well. So let's check out more pictures now. Alright, here's a 50mm portrait shot, a favorite among many of you. The OnePlus 13 with its equivalent 48mm lens offers a slightly wider perspective compared to the X200 Pro. Right off the bat, you will notice that the X200 Pro has gone for a more detailed and contrasty shot, making the colors pop beautifully. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 13 has opted for a softer, less contrasty look this time, and the colors aren't as vibrant. If we zoom in, the X200 Pro clearly takes the leads in terms of details, especially on the face. The texture and sharpness are noticeably better, giving the image a more professional and more polished feel. The OnePlus 13 on the other hand falls short, especially in the edge detection. Here's a twist: if you look at the earrings, the OnePlus 13 has blurred them out, failing to properly capture the edges. This mistake detracts from the overall quality of the picture and makes it feel less defined. Meanwhile, the X200 Pro's edge detection is spot on, capturing every detail of the earrings flawlessly. So for this shot, I have to give it to the X200 Pro. The details, contrast and overall finish are simply superior. Let's move on to more pictures. This is an 85mm portrait shot, or close enough. The OnePlus 13 equivalent sits at 73mm, so there is already a slight difference in framing. But let's jump into the real deal. Right away you can tell that OnePlus 13 is sticking to its signature style, bright, vibrant and eye-catching. It's like the phone wants to grab your attention immediately. But when you zoom in, the story changes. The OnePlus 13 fumbles with the details. The texture on the face just aren't as sharp, and it feels like the camera's trying too hard to overexpose and brighten everything. Now let's talk on the skin tones. The OnePlus 13 leans toward a whiter, overly brightened look, which might appeal to some people who like that polished, glowing style. But if you're authentic, just like me, like people who prefer something that feels more authentic, the X200 Pro clearly has the edge. Its shot is more natural with better texture and details, and honestly it feels a little closer to something you'd get with a DSLR. So while the OnePlus 13 might win in vibrance, the Vivo X200 Pro takes this one home with its superior detail and authenticity. Let's see what's next in store. Alright, here's another 85mm portrait shot, and once again the differences between these two phones are clear. The X200 Pro has gone for a darker and more contrasty and saturated look, while the OnePlus 13 sticks to its signature vibrant and bright color style. At first glance, the OnePlus 13 image might catch your eye. It looks bold and vibrant, but when you dive deeper, the edge detection tells a different story. The OnePlus 13 has again struggled, especially with the earrings, where it fails to capture the edges properly. In contrast, the X200 Pro nails the edge detection, keeping it sharp and precise, which has been a consistent strength throughout the comparison. Looking at the detail, the X200 Pro once again takes the lead. The textures and clarity in this shot are far superior, while the OnePlus 13 delivers a vibrant picture, but the X200 Pro processing feels more professional and DSLR-like. Plus, with it a bit of post-processing, you could easily tweak the X200 Pro shot to match the OnePlus 13's vibrancy, if that's your preference. So for this 85mm portrait test, this win goes to the X200 Pro for its edge detection, detail and overall professional quality. Let's move on to more detail. So I know many of you have been eagerly waiting for this zoom shot comparison, and here it is for all the zoom enthusiasts out there. This is a 20x shot taken on both phones, and right away you can see the differences in their approach. The X200 Pro has gone for its usual natural and muted tones, while the OnePlus 13 leans toward warmer colors, giving the image a slightly artificial look, especially noticeable in the sky. Now let's talk about what matters most in a zoom shot, the details. The X200 Pro has done a stellar job here, processing the finer texture and details far better than the OnePlus 13. If you focus on the pillar, you will notice the X200 Pro captures the intricate patterns and texture with clarity, while the OnePlus 13 falls behind. Dynamic range is another area where the X200 Pro shines, handling the highlights and shadows beautifully, giving a more balanced and realistic output. So for this 20x zoom shot, it's a clear win for the X200 Pro. Let's move forward and check out some more shots. Alright, here's a macro shot I took on the spot, and right away you can see that both phones offer impressive zoom capabilities. However, after testing various phones in 2024, I must say that the X200 Pro currently delivers one of the best macro shots. Among others, I have liked Huawei Pura 70 Ultra stood out as well. Looking closely, the X200 Pro captures fine detail and textures with remarkable precision, while the OnePlus 13 struggles in this area and the details aren't as sharp, and the overall definition, precision and everything is looking better on the X200 Pro, while the OnePlus struggles in this area. The details aren't as sharp, and the X200 Pro is clearly doing better job here. So this shot clearly showcases how superior the X200 Pro is for macro photography. So I'm giving this win to the X200 Pro here. Let's take a look at more shots. Alright, here we are testing the selfies from both of these phones, and right away you can see the differences. The X200 Pro captured the selfie at 23mm, while the OnePlus 13 used a slightly shorter focal length at 25mm. Both phones have features a 32 megapixel sensor, though the OnePlus 13 has a larger sensor size. At first glance, the X200 Pro delivers more natural skin tone, while the OnePlus 13 leans towards brightening and enhancing the skin tones. Both phones have faced criticism in the past for the average selfie performance, but in this comparison, the X200 Pro stands out. When you zoom in, the details are noticeably better on the X200 Pro, capturing a more realistic, natural look. The textures and makeup details are also sharper and more refined. Here, while the OnePlus 13 still delivers a vibrant image, it slightly softens the skin, making the overall selfie look less authentic. So for this selfie test, the X200 Pro takes the win for its more natural approach, improved details and a more polished look. Let's move on to more shots. Alright, here we have a selfie portrait shot, and right away you can see the differences in how these two phones handle the scene. The X200 Pro sticks to its signature natural tones, while the OnePlus 13 continues with its tendency to brighten and smooth everything out, making the shot look less realistic. Take a look at my sweater. On the X200 Pro, it's captured accurately and with great detail, while the OnePlus 13 falls short, making it look less true to life. Zooming in, the X200 Pro clearly wins with the details department. It keeps the texture on my face and overall shot much more authentic, while the OnePlus 13 over sharpens unnecessarily, which makes the image look artificial. When it comes to edge detection, the X200 Pro is once again the clear winner. It handles the edges beautifully, delivering a more polished and natural portrait. Overall, the X200 Pro easily outshines the OnePlus 13 in this selfie portrait comparison. So for selfies, the X200 Pro continues to dominate. Now let's move on and take a look at how both phones handle videos. Here we are testing the selfie video, and right away you can see that the X200 Pro manages skin tones, exposure and overall color balance much better than the OnePlus 13, which is applying continuously whitening to my face. And now let's move on to the 4K 30fps cinematic videos. Right away you will notice that the OnePlus 13 tries to apply bokeh right after the subject, the model, while the Vivo X200 Pro provides a more progressive bokeh effect that starts further back, creating a more accurate true to life and professional look. So in my opinion, the X200 Pro performs better in this scenario. Lastly, for the 4K 60fps video, the X200 Pro outshines in terms of color, temperature and skin tones. However, surprisingly, the OnePlus 13 does exceptionally well in dynamic range, so I'll give a +1 to both phones for their respective strengths. Now let's come to the conclusion. I know you have been eagerly waiting for the final verdict, and here it is. The OnePlus 13 scored 5 points, while the Vivo X200 Pro dominated with 16 points in its detailed camera comparison. It's clear that the X200 Pro outshines the OnePlus flagship, while the X200 Pro is on the pricier side compared to the OnePlus 13. Both are considered premium flagships. With this video, you can determine which one suits your need best. If you're on budget, the OnePlus 13 is still a great choice. However, I was genuinely impressed with what OnePlus has achieved this year. They have made significant improvements, especially in skin tones and color reproduction. The unique colors and video performance have also stepped up. That said, in my test, Vivo continues to excel in selfies, making it the better option for portraits and selfie lovers. For those who enjoy detailed camera comparison, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews. Your support helped me to create more content. Thank you and have a really great day.